Are you stuck on what colours to choose for your wedding day? Stick around for our suggestions on finding the perfect wedding style. Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode in our wedding planning advice series. Today, we're going to look at how to choose a colour scheme to style your wedding day. Now, I'd have to say that this topic would be one of the top 5 most asked questions we get here at Pink Caviar. We have couples contacting us to help them with their colour selection, advice on what goes with what, and how to pull it all together. As the head stylist and lead planner here, I personally work with couples to identify their vision, their likes and dislikes, and go through the chosen venue to see how to incorporate their style. There's no use spending weeks on end saving Pinterest photos or pages from magazines that you liked if the style doesn't suit your space. Aside from bridesmaid dress colours, you need to look at invitations, florals, furniture, and the existing colour scheme of the space that you're looking to decorate, as all of these elements need to complement each other. Think of it like decorating your house. You wouldn't go out and buy a new lounge suite without planning where it would go and if it matches the existing colour scheme of the room. We encourage clients to come into the office, whether it's in the city or in the Hills District, for a styling and colour consultation. Not only do you have the opportunity to meet with us, but we'll go through your wedding style and colour selections and ensure that everything matches or offer you ideas on how to pull it all together. Even if you haven't decided on a particular style, don't worry, we can help put one together for you. And once your colours are sorted, we'll start working on invitations, florals, backdrops, linens, and your final layout. So if you'd like some help with finalising your colours and styles, be sure to contact us in the details below for a styling and colour consultation. Please like this video and follow us for future updates on our planning advice series. Until next time, happy planning!